Hi everybody, it's Mr. Gill again. Welcome to day 5 of geography. And for today, for Friday, you have one slide. You are going to click play, which hopefully you've done because you're listening to me. And you have one assignment today. You are going to create a treasure map. So what you're going to do in Seesaw is you're going to click on your class's link, and that will open up your Seesaw assignment to create a treasure map. So what you're going to do is draw a picture of a treasure map. And you have two options. You can create your map in Seesaw, or you can draw it on paper and take a picture. But you need to make sure your map has the following parts. So you want it to have a map title, 5 symbols. Symbols are things that represent something. So let's say you want your map to have a river. So one of your symbols in your key should be a little blue line to represent your river on your map. Or if your map has mountains, maybe you're drawing little triangles for your mountains. So put those in your key. Make sure you have a red X for where the treasure is hidden. The map key is where you put your symbols to show what they are. So if you're drawing mountains with your little triangles on your map, in your map key, you're going to draw your triangles and then write the word mountains next to them. Or if you want your map to have houses and you draw little houses on your map, in your map key, draw the little house and write the word house next to it. Make sure you have a compass rose. A compass rose are the directions, so north, south, east, and west. So you're going to draw a little compass rose. Make sure your map is colored and done neatly so that your teacher can read it, and make sure you're creative and have fun. And if you are confused about the map features, you're going to click right here, and that will open up this document, and it will help you explain, like, what is a title. Title goes on the top, tells what the map is. Here's an example of a compass rose. Yours doesn't need to be that elaborate. Compass rose just shows us the directions. And you are also instructed to have a key. So the key on the bottom here shows you what the symbols on your map represent. So on this map, there's a temple, and there's a picture of the temple that would be found on the map, and then the word temple above. So if you're drawing mountains with triangles, down in your key, you're going to have triangles with the word mountains above. And that is your assignment for today. You have 30 minutes. You're down to 25 maybe by now. So do your best work. Have fun. Next week we'll continue exploring maps, and we'll create a few additional maps. Thank you.